Are you searching for an exciting investment opportunity poised to drive you toward financial success? Look no further than NIO Incorporated, a powerhouse in the electric vehicle industry. With a dynamic presence as a renowned EV manufacturer, NIO has transformed how we view transportation and made waves across global markets. Buckle up as we delve into why NIO is more than just an automaker, it's a potential game changer for your investment portfolio. In this video, we're about to unveil the compelling reasons why NIO could be the next big thing you've been waiting for. NIO's August performance sent a ripple through the stock market on the 9th. The stock's value encountered a dip, marking a decrease of minus 4.34%, settling at $13.46. Now, this might sound like a setback, but let's zoom in a bit. You see, in the world of investments, the landscape isn't always smooth. Short-term twists and turns like these can actually be the hidden gems investors seek. It's because these fluctuations can pave the way for smart investors to enter the market at a lower cost, positioning themselves for potential gains as the stock rises once again. What's more, NIO's journey over the past year has been quite the roller coaster. Picture this, their stock reached soaring heights at $22.74 and touched the ground floor at $7 within a mere 52 weeks. Now, that might raise a few eyebrows, and rightfully so. This sort of range could be seen as a hint of volatility, like the stock market's version of a thunderstorm. But here's where it gets interesting. Such a broad spectrum, stretching from high to low, actually opens up a realm of possibilities for potential investors. In addition, NIO has been carving out quite the success story over just the past month. NIO's stock price surged up by a whopping 24.51% in just that short span. Now, think about what this means. It's like taking a rocket ride of growth in less time than it takes to binge watch a season of your favorite show. This kind of rapid progress often catches the eye of investors who are all about seizing short-term opportunities. Analysts have also stepped into the spotlight, shining a favorable light on NIO. Let's take a look at the experts, Bank of America Securities and Citi, to name a few. They've given NIO's stock a glowing buy rating, akin to giving it a thumbs up in the investment arena. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When multiple experts start singing the same tune, it's like a choir of expertise pointing in one direction. In this case, that direction leads to the fact that NIO might be worth a close look for investment. When professionals with market insight and numbers to crunch agree, it's as close to a green light as you'll get in the world of investing. Now, let's talk about NIO's big moves on the global stage. NIO isn't just settling, they're stepping up. They've mapped out plans for expansion that could make any market player turn their head. First, NIO's brand new production facility in Hefei, China, completed just a year ago. It's like having a state-of-the-art factory tailor-made for crafting the future of electric vehicles. But it doesn't stop there. NIO's venture into the European market has been making waves. Think of it as NIO taking its EV prowess overseas, starting in Norway and spreading its wings further into Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. And let's not overlook the July that shattered records. NIO wasn't just delivering electric vehicles, they were setting the stage for an EV extravaganza. Over 20,000 electric vehicles found new homes that month. And what's even more fascinating, about half of those vehicles were NIO's latest pride and joy, the ES6, a smart SUV designed for comfort, sport, family, and adventure. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. NIO has also ventured into something electrically intriguing, its power segment. It's not just about electric vehicles, but the power that fuels them. Let's break it down. NIO has set up battery swapping stations, where swapping your car's drained battery for a fully charged one is as easy as changing lanes. It's speedier than recharging, like a pit stop that gets you back on the road in a flash. But there's more to it. NIO's charging solutions play a part too. Think of it as bringing the charging station to your doorstep. They've got mobile charging trucks that deliver the juice wherever you are. And if that's not enough, they've got a 24-hour on-demand charging service, so charging is as convenient as ordering takeout. But these ventures aren't just about fueling cars. They're about fueling growth and possibilities. Beyond the buzz of vehicle sales, NIO's power segment might just hold the keys to a long-term journey of value. It's about changing the way we power up our lives, whether it's a car on the road or the dreams of an electrified future. We also need to consider NIO's journey through some stormy weather. Supply chain hurdles and the impact of the pandemic cast shadows, causing NIO to navigate choppy waters. But hang tight, recent times show some rays of hope piercing through the clouds. Deliveries have surged like a phoenix rising from the ashes. Over 20,000 vehicles hit the streets in July. Now that's a positive pulse. Now, let's connect the dots. These waves of positivity may hint at something bigger, a path to profitability. It's like seeing a plot twist in a movie that turns everything around. Those struggles are part of the storyline, but the narrative might be shifting toward a brighter chapter. Think of it as NIO getting back on track, heading towards the golden gates of sustainability. This isn't just a bump in the road, it's a pivotal moment that could redefine NIO's trajectory and shine a light on a promising future. So, as we wrap up this ride through the world of NIO, let's gather the gems we've uncovered. NIO isn't just an electric vehicle manufacturer, it's a potential investment journey. The stock's recent twist on August 9th, where it dipped by -4.34%, isn't a red flag, it's a chance to seize a potentially lower entry point. Plus, NIO's wide 52-week range, from $22.74 to $7, might hint at volatility but also paints a canvas of investment opportunities. The recent upward sprint, with a remarkable 24.51% surge over a month, shows promise for short-term gains. Not to mention the harmonious by chorus from analysts like Bank of America Securities and Citi, suggesting that NIO is more than worth a glance. The expansion front is alive, too, with a brand new production facility and a foothold in the European market. July's record-breaking deliveries, over 20,000 in total, add a crescendo of success to the tune. Let's not forget the power segment, which isn't just about EVs, it's about the potential value beyond vehicles. NIO's history with supply chain struggles and the pandemic's impacts echoes resilience. Recent trends like increased deliveries flicker with optimism, possibly paving a path to profitability. So, the bottom line is this: NIO isn't just an electric vehicle, it's an electric potential for investors. This isn't just about cars, it's about growth, innovation, and the road to possibility. But remember, this journey isn't a solo act, it's one where you, as an investor, can jump in and make waves. Now, the stage is set, and the curtain draws close. Do you think NIO is a good investment for your journey? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more NIO stock analysis, I highly recommend watching this amazing video. Just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.